Well, it's turning into a pretty nice day here. Just finished packing up all that stuff. It's all gone now. This place is looking a lot better. Took a while. Took longer than I expected. But I had some, I had to rebag everything. You know, there were a bunch of holes and things were wet. A lot of bedding. Oh, here's something I missed. A lot of bedding and stuff. Kitchen utensils. Crap like that. Oh, here's another thing. Beer can. Pepsi can. Thought I got everything. Yeah. It's a nice campsite here. Nice view. Now all this crap is gone. Or it will be gone. Filled up my little trailer. Oh, jeez. I thought it was gonna, like they do with the Shark. Instead of a bigger boat, I thought I was gonna need a bigger trailer. Well, let's go into the trash. Adios.